Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove numbers in Excel from the left side. Okay, without formula. First of all, select your number. Select the number. Go to Control Step. Text drop down list. Extract text. Select start to end characters. Add the right character and remove left number. Now see this, remove left number. Type your remove number. I type 4. Okay. Now click OK. Select single cells, then click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.